Do you have? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Do you have time? Do you have time? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? I need. I need help. I need help. I need a break. I need a break. I need more practice. I need more practice. Where can I? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets? Where can I get some food? Where can I get some food? How do you? How do you say this? How do you say this? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? How do you do it? How do you do it? I can. I can swim. I can swim. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can help you. I can help you. I can't. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys. I can't do it. I can't do it. He, she has. He has a car. He has a car. She has a cat. She has a cat. He has a job. He has a job. They have. They have a dog. They have a dog. They have 2 children. They have 2 children. They have a house. They have a house. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are your plans? What are your plans? What are those? What are those? Is it? Is it? Far? Is it far? Is it? Expensive? Is it expensive? Is it? Difficult? Is it difficult? I want to. I want to. Learn. I want to learn. I want to. Travel. I want to travel. I want to. Sleep. I want to sleep. Can I? Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I go now? Can I go now? How much? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much time do we have? How much time do we have? How much is it? How much is it? I like to. I like to read. I like to read. I like to cook. I like to cook. I like to play games. I like to play games. I don't like to. I don't like to wait. I don't like to wait. I don't like to wake up early. I don't like to wake up early. I don't like to clean. I don't like to clean.